In this video, I will be showing you how to create a seating chart in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by typing landscape into the search bar to find a template with the wide orientation I need. I'll browse through the document results and select this green geometric blank A4 document to use as my base. Once the editor loads, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. I'm searching for a seating chart to find a pre-made layout, and I'll click on Graphics to see the best options. I'll select this clean classroom grid and then drag the corners to resize it so it fills the center of the page. Now it's time to add labels, so I'll click on the Text tab and add a text box. I'll position this first one at the top and type in Teacher. Next, I'll add another text box for the students, place it over the first desk, and type Student 1. To make this easy, I'll just duplicate that text box, move it to the next desk, and update the label to Student 2. I'm going to repeat this process for the rest of the desks, duplicating the text, aligning it carefully within each box, and updating the student numbers. I'll keep going through the rows until every desk is clearly labeled. Once the last student label is in place, my organized seating chart is finished and ready to go.